Hello! How are you? So, today we have somebody very special to say hello to you. You going to say hello? Hello!
Hello.
Come closer. So what's your name?
Santi.
You are Santi. Are you going to help me with the assembly today?
Yeah.
Yes? Good. High five. Okay. Right. Shall we start by singing the hello song?
Yeah.
Yeah? Shall we sing the hello song?
Yeah.
Are you ready? That's not the hello song. There we go. Ready? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Bum, bum, bum. Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Bum, bum, bum. Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? 1, 2, 3. Good. Good singing. Well done. Okay, let's start, shall we? So, first things first, let's have a look. What's here? We have a lovely calendar here. Now, so it says my calendar at the top. And the first thing we need to know is, what day is it today?
Monday.
Monday?
Yeah.
On Monday we go to school.
Tuesday.
Tuesday we go to school. Look, this one begins with
Wednesday.
Wednesday we go to school. It's not Wednesday.
Monday. Saturday.
Saturday. Today is Saturday. Do you want to sing the days of the week song?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to click, clap, or pat?
Click.
Click.
No.
Come, clap. Come over here then and we'll clap. Are you ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Monday and there's Tuesday. There's Wednesday and there's Thursday. There's Friday and there's Saturday. And then there's Sunday too. Days of the week. 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 Good job. So, today is Saturday. And, as we can see here, it's the 9th of the month. And which month is it? Do you know which month it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do.
5.
5? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well, it is number 5. You're right there.
6.
It's the month of
May.
May. Good boy. May. Okay. Now,
May is mother.
May is Mayo. You're right. Now here we have cloudy. But have a look out the window and tell me what the weather is today.
Sunny.
Sunny. Okay. Well, let's take off cloudy then. Can you see sunny down here?
Yeah.
You take sunny then. Yeah. That's it. And stick it on here where it says weather. Okay. So today is Saturday. That's it. Good boy. It's May. And the weather is Sunny. Very good. Now, what season is it? Is it winter?
No.
No, it's not winter. Is it autumn?
No.
No, it's not autumn.
What is autumn?
What season is it?
Otoño.
That's right, autumn is otoño. What season is it? Is it spring? Yes, it is spring. How do you say spring? Do you know how to say spring?
Yeah.
How do you say
Spring.
it?
Primavera.
Very good. It is spring. Should we sing on with a song?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's have a little look and let's sing together. Are you ready? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it sunny today? Is it sunny?
Yeah.
Yep. Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it rainy today? Is it raining? No. Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it cloudy today? Is it cloudy? Let's look outside. Is it snowy today? Is it snowy? No. How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Yes. Is it rainy? No. Is it cloudy? No. Is it snowy? Is it snowy? No. How's the weather today? The weather is sunny.
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 Stamp, 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 stamp,
You look a little bit like a monster.
stamp.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Should we do our numbers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good number.
We have got numbers. We've got lots of numbers.
Hey.
So, what number is this one?
Number one.
Number 1. And this one?
Number two.
2. This one here?
Three. Number
3. Very good.
Mommy.
This one?
When we finish that, putting a second bullet de coco.
Absolutely. You can do your puzzle after this. You can go now if you want to.
I want to.
Okay, go on then.
To watch us, are we?
You're going to say goodbye. I'm going to carry on.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. You're going to wave. Let's carry on then. Just you and me. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. That's right. We got all the way to 10. Shall we sing our numbers song? Are you ready? Let's start by whispering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's right. So let's finish today with our colours. Now, I have some very special things here to show you our colours. First of all, what colour is this? This is orange. Orange. And Do you know what fruit this is? That's right. It's also called an orange. Now, what else do we have here? We have, it's big, it's long, it's yellow. And what fruit is this? This is a banana. A banana. That's right. A yellow banana. What else do I have here? I have, what colour is this? It's red. A red apple. A red apple. Hi, are you back? So, let's move on. What colour is this?
Green.
This is green.
It's pear.
It's a pear. So this is a green pear.
Mommy,
That's right.
¿por qué no lees el cuento?
I'm going to read the story, but not now. And the last one is this one. This is a delicious fruit, isn't it? I like this fruit.
We make ice cream.
We did make ice creams with
But
this.
me and Daddy.
You and Daddy did that. So what colour is this? This is red. That's right. And what fruit is this? Do you remember how to say this?
Mommy.
What fruit is this?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. This is a red strawberry.
And it's red and a little bit green.
It is a little bit green. Would you like to show the camera which part is green on the strawberry? Where's the green part?
Here.
There. Okay, that's all we have time for today. So, it's time to say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you soon. Bye. You're going to say bye-bye, Santi? Bye.